Hey, I wanted to shoot this video to explain through a use case how Copilot is surfacing information. So there's some confusion. People might not understand then when you're in an app, it's only surfacing the the document you're working on unless you're referencing a specific document. You can reference, I think, only three documents, but you cannot surface the entire content. So let me show you that by an example in Word. So I've prepared a prompt. So actually, it's not there. I'm gonna try to. I'm a PM and I want to have a list of documents. Can you give me a list of documents related to a topic? So here I'm gonna mention Copilot. Documents created in the past 2 months. The output should be a table with the name of the document, the URL, where we can find the document, the summary, the author, and the last date that the document was modified. So that applies for me. I was expecting, try to find that in my tenant and generate something out of it. So as a PM, I can see all the documents we've been working on a specific topic. That can be my project name. If you're in marketing, that can be a product name or whatever is the topic you want to put. So as you can see here, I have content that is coming from internet. That's not my goal. So it's not surfacing information in my tenant when I'm in a document. But if I go to Copilot here, then same question should come with different results because now it's the only place where I can crawl everything in my tenant, everything as I have access to. So if I don't have access, I won't see it. But at least if I have access to some documents, I can surface that. This is the result is not so important because it's a demo tenant. There's not a lot of documents. Everything else being authored by me. But to show you that the proper way to do it, that kind of search when you want to look at a lot of documents, is to go into the Copilot here in the Microsoft 365 or in Teams. You have the same application in Teams, and it will bring you better results with actually the right document. So you can see this is a document that is actually in my tenant. It's a Word document. Here is a PowerPoint document. And so if you want now to put that in a Word document, that's where it's not working so well so far. So I can try to copy that way. If I select like that, it won't work. The URL won't come. If I copy like that, I can go in my Word document. Let's discard that. I can paste the content. As you can see, I have the URL, but it's not well presented. It's not a table anymore. So you can try to convert it. Maybe it can do a good job. Last time I tried, it didn't work. You can say, okay, make this as a table. So we'll see if it's working well. Last time I tried, it started to create the columns, but it stopped in the middle. So I'm not sure what will be the proper way to really get the right URL. As you can see, it doesn't work. So there might be some tweaking to be done here manually after. But my purpose was not to present you how you can create a document based on a list of uh, listing all the documents we've been working on a project, even if it can be very useful. But my point was to show you that in Copilot here for Microsoft 365, you can surface everything everywhere. But in a Office document, you can only focus on the document itself. Or eventually, you can say, you know, you can reference another document. So you can, using the slash word, you can find, oh, it's not working. It's funny. But that's where you should be able to add, create, or maybe it's going to work not here, but let me discard that. And let me clean that. Actually, I was wrong. It's here. You can reference documents here. So here you can use the some document, or I can reference a document like that, or I can paste the URL, or if I let's type Copilot, he's going to try to find a document where Copilot is the name of the document. So I can say that. So I think I can add only 3 links. Let's find another Copilot document. What strategies for Copilot? Let's find another one. Traps. Should be something. Okay. Copilot story. And the third one, Copilot benefit maybe. Outline for deck. Presenting. Okay. Pressing. Okay. So I have a Word document that talks about it, and I can say from these documents, create a new document summarizing all these documents. So that's the only way I can surface documents that are not this document, is by referencing them in the prompt here, not here actually, here, not even here. I cannot even surface content here. There it's only focused on the document. Here I can, in the prompt here, I can reference different files. I think there's only 3 that you can reference. And for, maybe assembling all those documents, making them, cohesive, I don't know what you can ask. Um, so that was the point. The point is, if you want to surface your entire tenant, go there, Copilot for Microsoft 365, and then you will find the information in the what we call the semantic index that is crawling all your information in your tenant that you have access to. And then you can have that nice kind of report that can help you. You can do that with documents, you can do that with chats, meetings, whatever. So it can be very useful to have access in the central place to all the content and summarize them in one nice table, for example, as an output, even including links. So hope this was insightful.